Hey guys, it's Zach. Hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to another episode of Best Android Setups. As you already know, there were tons and tons of submissions, so unfortunately I cannot show them all. But don't forget, you can check out every submission by searching up the hashtag on Twitter. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoy this episode. Just wanted to take a quick second to thank the sponsor of today's video, dbrand. They make awesome skins for your tech, and I personally enjoy using them to give my tech a different, refreshing look, texture, and to even protect my devices from things like scratches. And for even more protection, they've got their grip case and prism screen protector. Dbrand's been supporting the channel for a long time, so go ahead and check them out using the very first link in the description. Alright, so the first setup comes to us from Avishek. Please forgive me if I've butchered your name. We're looking at a customized KLWP setup along with a KWGT widget from Foxy. The display wallpaper is from Wally, and the background wallpaper is from Zedge. Now this one really caught my eye because while yes, it is a bit busy, the KLWP preset is something I can get with. There's a lot going on here, from news, time, date, weather, and battery info. There are application shortcuts. The setup also has a month calendar, which is super handy. There are some upcoming events, and even now playing info with media controls. This is something I'd actually like to try out myself. It's a nice selection, and it looks really slick on the 7 Pro. Good stuff. Next one comes to us from Javed. We're looking at the GradyOn icon pack along with an edited spiffy KWGT widget. Now this setup is pretty simple, but it's pleasing to the eye. The wallpaper was a great choice to pair up with this widget. I like the black and white contrast, and the icons at the bottom add some nice color. The widget is pretty neat. I think Spiffy is a great pack, by the way. I'm actually using this on my new setup. This one gives you a lot of basic but useful information, and this wallpaper, while it does take up the upper third of the entire home screen, it gives off nice chill vibes. This is something I could see running on my phone as well. Nice job. Third setup comes to us from Best Android Setups Hall of Fame member Yanni. This one wound up in the thumbnail, as I'm sure you saw. We're looking at a combination of the flat circle and flight light icon packs. The wallpaper comes from Paper Splash. He's got a today weather widget with a self-made Zuper widget and an edited minimal UI Zuper widget as well. This is a very clean, nicely thought out setup. It's basic, but I like the choice to set them up in this grid fashion. It's very iOS-like, but don't worry, that's okay. The icon pack choice mixes well with the wallpaper. The color combination is a good look. Of course, I like the hiding of the status bar for extra cleanliness, and the widgets you've chosen make for a nice barrier around the icons. I also like how the widgets are rounded to complement the rounded icons. It's a pretty good looking setup. Second to last, we've got this setup from Ralph. We're looking at widgets from Cheesecake for KWGT, the Groovy icon pack, and the wallpaper is from Wallhub. We got another simple one here, but I really like the way it looks on the 7 Pro. It isn't super flashy or anything, but it's clean. It's wow. It's practical and it's uniform. The wallpaper and the icon pack work together nicely, and of course the widget up top matches the shape of the icons. Getting rid of the icon labels and the dock were the right moves here, especially since the icon size increased, and I like that you replaced the status bar with something a little cleaner. Again, it's nothing too fancy, just a really solid, good looking setup. Closing out this episode with yet another very simple setup. This one comes to us from Higor. This one's being run on Lawnchair V2. The wallpaper is from Wallhub. We're looking at the abstract dark icon pack. There's a self-made widget there too, and the music widget is an edited Pixie KWGT widget. So again, nothing too fancy or mind-blowing, but this is so aesthetically pleasing and it looks so good on the 7 Pro, I just had to share it. I like that the status bar is hidden, and this icon pack is actually the perfect choice because it matches the minimal abstract design of the wallpaper, which by the way kind of steals the show. The widget above the icons is a nice touch with time, date, and weather info, and that now playing widget you made is an interesting addition. If it were me, I'd probably put my name or brand name for a little more personalization, but this is more practical, so more power to you. So that'll do it for this episode of Best Android Setups. I hope you all enjoyed as always. If you did, feel free to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new. I will talk to you guys later, and thank you so much for watching.